Problem solution essay. 4 paragraphs. Title. How do we do it? After you memorized the structure, which is a must, you must memorize the structure. This is a template for you, a way to write your essay of 4 paragraphs. What you need here is to fill the title, the dangers of, and whatever topic they give you. And everything that is with bold letters is for you to fill your ideas with. Now, last homework I gave my students: should kids go to the mall alone without adult supervision? Of course, most of them said yes, but any topic they give you in the exam, it's a problem. Even if you don't agree, it's a problem, and you have to give 2 consequences and 2 solutions. And of course, explain it's happening to who or what. So this is the title: The Dangers of Kids Going to the Mall Alone. As we said, if they give you any kind of topic, for example, should kids or should people consume fast food regularly? In the exam, you don't just write the title here, the topic, all of it, you bring it here. The dangers of should kids or people consume fast food regularly? No, you shorten it. The dangers of junk food. So instead of all that big title, just junk food. Same as this one, the dangers of kids going to the mall alone. We didn't just say the dangers of should kids go to the mall. No, it doesn't make sense. Now, as we can see, before we start paragraph 1, do we have an indent here? No. What is an indent? An indent is the space you leave in the beginning of a paragraph, the first sentence only. We have it in paragraph 2, 3, and 4, but we don't have it here. So we immediately start here. So what's the problem here? We have to write the problem in the first line. It can be short, it can be long, depending on the type of topic. So in here, the problem first. What is the problem? Kids going to the mall without adult super. Of course, here, if you don't have space to continue the word and you want to make it neat, stretch a line like this and then continue. Vision, since this is one word, supervision. And now we put the full stop. Do we? No. Comma, or without comma, both are fine. Is, and now you continue. All of this is already given to you. You just continue writing it because you have memorized it. Is something. That is happening worldwide to who or what? Is it happening to the kids? Kinda, yeah, but it impacts the family even more. Most of the time, nothing bad happens to kids that go to the mall, but sometimes it happens, so the parents keep thinking about it. It's like an issue to them. So here we can say to parents. And then we also just continue writing everything we have memorized until we reach the next bracket that we need to fill our ideas with. And is bothering most communities around the world. For many reasons. Don't forget the full stops, very, very important. Hence, comma. Hence means so we must use linking words. Complicated or difficult linking words, special looking ones are very important, they give you more marks. Numerous studies have been undertaken to explore this problem. Comma, also very important. And ongoing research continues to delve deeper to delve deeper. Delve here is like to dive, to go into details, into this complex issue. Now, full stop also, again, very important. Now, a consequence of this problem is, now we reached a very important part. This last sentence is very important. If you don't write it, you lose a lot of marks. A consequence is. Now again, the meaning of consequences or consequence is when something bad happens to you or someone or something because of something that happened, a problem. The problem of kids going to the mall causes a problem for someone else, like an issue, a consequence, something bad because of this problem. Now, we reach this part. We have consequence 1 and 2. In the exam, this is your part, you have to think. What could go wrong from kids going to the mall without adult supervision, without just alone? Keep thinking, what could happen? You're there. What could go wrong? Try to remember a movie, a TV show, something related to this issue, and then write your problem. Of course, without brackets. Wasting time and the risk of getting kidnapped. Two issues. Wasting time and the risk of getting kidnapped. The moment you finish this, the moment you put a full stop. Although the full stop is not here, but remember you must put it here and here as well. Now let's continue. a linking word, however. Comma after every linking word. These problems can be solved. By what? Let's see. Now, solution 1 and 2. Think. You have two consequences. How do you solve them? How do you solve the problem of kids wasting time at the mall? How do you solve the problem of kids getting kidnapped? Or preventing them, basically. Setting rules, or setting firm rules. Firm rules are like rules that you cannot break at all. Setting rules and using a GPS device. Done. Then you write a full stop. Of course, this seems a lot because my handwriting is a bit bigger than usual, maybe. You can make some sentences a bit shorter, especially the second sentence. You can make it a bit shorter. I made it this detailed just to enhance your mark for those who want a full mark in the writing exam. You can replace some words with easier words, like hence with so. But in the exam, they are looking for complicated words, special words, new words, and they will reward you with extra marks.